Hello, we are live. Hello, my friends, brothers and sisters, freedom fighters. I had epiphany. And this is the reason why I want to share this in this moment with you, because I think if you do that, you will achieve every goal in your life and you do it on this way. But this is not my opinion. You know that I'm student like you. I'm not guru. But this is what I will talk about will scientifically proven, and I will show you why and how you can achieve every goal you set. And this is, I'm so excited to talk to you about that. I was try to write some bullet points, but I think that that is not a good idea in this moment, because I think that bullet points will constrain me, and this is extremely important to understand. That was big epiphany moment for me, and I want this share with you. So we, like human beings, already have some desires, some wishes and everything, but only small percentage of us actually have precisely written down goals. Research show these results. If you go out there and take 100 people and ask them about their goals, you will be surprised that only 1% of people actually have written goals. Only 1%. This is, and that 1% of people actually achieve all their goals. But today I will explain my epiphany about that, because I some kind merge scientific science and woo-woo, and you will see that is amazing result, that give amazing results, and you will actually learn and understand why. And this is big for me. This is enormous information. I never be excited on video ever before like in this one. So for example, I had a lot of books about goal setting. For example, one book is from Brian Tracy. Called name of the book is Goals, and I have been reading the book and try to go with the book and try to set my goals. But actually, I'm researching a goal setting for more than 15 years, and actually I didn't find the way that actually works for me, and this is epiphany. Because when I tried to write down my goals, okay, I was using my conscious mind, okay, but you know, we have conscious mind and we have subconscious mind. And if you want compare, listen to this very carefully, if you want compare your conscious mind with how fast your conscious mind can process some information, and if you compare that with your subconscious mind, you know what kind of difference. Actually, this is information from Bruce Lipton. Bruce Lipton is a scientist, epigenetic scientist. Bruce Lipton. Bruce like a Bruce Lee. Lipton like a tea. Bruce like a Bruce Lee. Lipton like a tea. Bruce Lipton. Okay, and he was telling in that video that your conscious mind actually is processor of 40 megabits per second. This is how fast that processor can process information. Okay, but can you know do you know actually? Can you imagine what is actually power of processor of your subconscious mind? This is 40 megabits. Of your subconscious mind is 40,000 40,000. It's 1,000 times more than your conscious mind. And what if you read the book Think and Grow Rich. Actually, you should write down your goals and think about them and everything. But you should think about it because you have to put them in your subconscious, okay? But this is very hard if you're not good in visualization and if you not repeat, because that process have to be repetitive. They have to be have to become your second nature. Like fighters, MMA fighters, you know that they have actually a subconscious movement that they don't think about. Actually, they live it, okay, and they get it by repetition. So you have to repeat information to your subconscious mind, okay, and that input you actually put that information in your subconscious mind, and you have to be consistent. But you know the difference, because we are people, we think in pictures, and we have saying one picture like 1,000 words. One picture is like 1,000 words. So why don't we use that knowledge in our advantage? And that was big epiphany for me. Epiphany was when I was trying to read my write down my goals and read them, or write them down and put them somewhere. Actually, I don't get enough information for my subconscious mind, and if I read them and don't read them enough times, they will be only in my conscious mind. Actually, that information will be processed by processor of only 40 megabits per second. But I need much stronger processor, I think that's the right word, of 40,000. So what we should do, that is actually when I got epiphany, because I was watching some video on YouTube, and I realized, see this vision board. Some lady talk about vision board, and I said, yo, can you imagine vision board? I didn't hear about vision board for a long time, and I said, that's great. And in one moment I had epiphany. Vision boards are pictures. Vision board are the pictures. So every time when I look at a picture, one picture like 1,000 words, actually I ping my subconscious mind. And every time when I see it, I ping my subconscious mind. So key moment is that your goals have to be in the front of your eyes every day. I don't know how you can do that. I will show you how I will do that. For example, I will show in this particular moment. How I should to change. See this. First of all, this is essential oils from Bali. And you will realize why this is so important. This is my vision board in creation. And you can see I have 16 rectangular, 16 places, okay? And in the first 12, I will put my 12 goals for 2020, okay? And I have 4 place more, and this is for a bigger goals that needs much more time. And this I will put my goals for next 5 years and 2 big goals for the next 10 years. Okay, and here I will put 12 goals for 2020, and I will show you, I will show you one of my goals is, for example, this. One of my goal is to go to Bali, and I choose this picture. This is actually a picture I find those pictures on internet, and maybe I will put here some caption. For example, I will go to Bali until July 2020. Okay, and I choose that picture because I feel some calmness because of the water, and they have Bali like some kind of headline, and I like it. Actually, I feel some emotion about that picture. Okay, the next one, for example, is that I want to go with someone. Okay, and from all of it that you see, I don't have idea how can I go to Bali, when I will go to Bali, and I don't have a girlfriend at this moment. Only that I have pretty similar body like this guy. This is a little bit brag, but actually I'm pretty close to that. You don't want me to dress off in this moment. And when you would see my video from Bali, and in that moment you will know that this actually works. Why it works? Because I'm operating from my bigger, stronger processor, and every time when I look, okay, this is my view from my C. Oh, sorry, I didn't actually. I hope that you saw me. I didn't. I didn't. My lights. I didn't. I don't know how light them up. I'm so professional, as you see. Actually, this is my vision. Okay, this is my computer. This is my vision board. And can you imagine how many times during the day I will look and at my vision board, and my vision board will ping that information, that pictures will ping my subconscious mind, and my stronger processor will activate one particular center in your brain. That particular center have a name, RAS, Reticular Activating System. RAS, Reticular Activating System. What is that system? For example, that system actually help you to realize some opportunities, some situations, some objects, whatever you give them information to find in your surroundings. For example, if you remember, for example, when you want to buy a car, some specific type of car, and suddenly you can see that type of car all around you, and that is when your reticular activating system actually working. So can you imagine that? If I'm always looking at my pictures, okay, pinging my subconscious mind, my reticular activating system always work and showing me opportunity, people, situations, that how can I achieve that? And if you want me how it works, you want me to tell you from my little conscious processor how his big brother works. This is not impossible. This is impossible. This is not possible. This is impossible. Actually, that little guy, our conscious mind, don't know how Big Brother subconscious mind works, because this is 40 megabits, this is 40,000 megabits. But these big guys knows. And when you are looking at your vision board, actually you are programming your subconscious mind, this big guy. And this is why it works. And that was my epiphany. Epiphany, yeah, that was my epiphany. Because you're using pictures. Pictures are like 1,000 words. You keep them in the front of your eyes. You ping programming your subconscious mind, I don't know, every few seconds. Your reticular activating system works over time, and you will achieve your goals, guys. You will. This is amazing. I'm totally thrilled, and this is the reason why I'm go online and work and have fun and finding the pictures that I will put on my vision board. I will print them on in a color and put them on my vision board. This is amazing. Please, if you like this video, if you don't like this video, please leave the comment. Tell me something about that. Do you have some similar epiphany? Do you have some similar experience? Tell me, tell something. If you like it, like it. If you like the video, hit the like button, hit the bell icon. Subscribe. Let's do it together. If you have some experience, please write them down. Give me your experience. Tell me, for example, if you have good video about that topic, I will give me your link. I will share it. Okay. Okay. So I'm. It's a little bit hard for me here. Believe me, guys. If you do this in this way, believe me, you will be impressed. That it has to work, because science is behind it. Understand? Science and previous experience from Napoleon Hill, writer of the book Think and Grow Rich, experience of Brian Tracy. Everything is together in this my theory. But I think that is more than a theory, because I will be the living proof of it. Okay? I hope that some of you or all of you will have it. Will be proof of it, living proof of it. So guys, please do it. Please do it. Okay, what you can lose? Nothing. Just do it. Just do it. Okay, and you will thank me afterwards. Okay, you can thank me on Bali or somewhere where we meet each other. Okay, guys. I'm so happy because I shared this video, and I hope that you will do your vision board. And believe me, guys, it works. It works. I don't know. Don't ask me how it works and how I know, because I have to talk from my conscious mind. But little guy don't know how the big guy works. Okay, so for your big guy. For your success, Milan Stanik signing out, and see you in some of the next video. Can you remember this? Bruce Lipton. Bruce like Bruce Lee, Lipton like a tea. Bruce like a Bruce Lee, Lipton like a tea. Bruce Lipton, find him. Okay, like him. Bye bye.